Good evening, friends. In the last session, we studied the magnetic properties of solids. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the close packing in crystals. Crystalline solids, the constituent particles are arranged in an orderly manner. We already know this fact. In solids, the constituent particles are arranged in a close packed manner and there is leaving a minimum vacant space. So, generally in crystalline solids, each constituent particle are considered as a hard sphere of identical shape and size. That is, all the constituent particles in that crystal has same size and same shape. These constituent particles are arranged in a way that they occupy in a maximum space available and it will leaving there is a minimum empty space. Because of closely packing, its density will be increased. So these types of crystals have high density. This type of packing is known as close packing. So what is close packing? Whenever the constituent particles are occupied in very closely with leaving a very minimum space, that type of packing is known as close packing. There are three types of close packing. They are close packing in one-dimensional and close packing in two-dimensional structures and close packing in three-dimensional. First we see about close packing in one-dimensional. Here the spheres are arranged in only one way. That is, the spheres are arranged in a row and touching with their neighboring atom. This arrangement is in one-dimensional way. So they are called close packing in one-dimensional. And the number of nearest neighboring particle is known as coordination number. What is coordination number in the case of solids? The number of nearest neighboring particle is called its coordination number. In one-dimensional close packing arrangement, the coordination number is 2 because we are taking in between one atom, it will be touching with their neighboring atoms in the right hand side and the left hand side. So there is two neighboring atoms are present. So the coordination number of one-dimensional close packing is 2. We see close packing in two dimension. In two-dimensional close packing, the constituent particles are arranged in rows. It can be done in two different ways, that is AA type and AB type. First, what is AA type? The constituent particles are arranged in same row and column wise series. That is, if one row is, we are ordering like this. If you are seeing in the picture, A is arranged in and the above the same A will arrange and the above the same A will arrange. So there all the close packing is A type. Here the second row spheres are also placed above the first row. The spheres of two rows are aligned horizontally and vertically. If the first row is A type and the second row is also same like A type. So this type of arrangement is called AA type arrangement. Let us see this picture. The arrangement of each sphere is in contact with four neighboring atoms. So the coordination number of square close packing in two-dimensional is 4. Here the centers of four neighboring spheres are joined, we get a square shape. So this packing is known as square close packing in two dimension. What will say? Square close packing in two dimension. Next we see AB type close packing. AB type, the constituent particles are arranged in a staggered manner. That is, the second row constituent particles are fit in the depression of the first row. The arrangement of spheres in first row is called the A type, and the arrangement of spheres in second row is called B type, because both have different arrangement. Let us see this figure. The third row is placed adjacent to the second row. Its spheres are arranged in the same like first row. Hence, this type of layer is called A type, and the sphere in the fourth row is same like B. Hence, this type of arrangement is called AB type. In this type of arrangement, the free space is very less as compared to the first case. So this type of packing is more efficient than square close packing. So here each sphere is in contact with 6 neighboring atoms. So the coordination number of hexagonal close packing is 6. Here the centers of the 6 neighboring atoms are joined, we get a hexagon. If we see this picture, we clearly see the hexagon. So this type of packing is called two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. In this arrangement, there are some voids are present, that is empty space. Yeah, voids means nothing but empty space. So these are triangular in shape. These triangular are two types. That is, the triangles are point upwards. That is, the apex of the triangle is pointing upwards, and another one is pointing downwards. We see close packing in three-dimensional arrangement. All the real structures are three-dimensional in nature. So, three-dimensional close packing structures can be obtained from two-dimensional square close packed structures and two-dimensional hexagonal close packing structures. First, we see three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional square close packed structures. We already studied that two-dimensional square packed layers are arranged one above the other. That is, the second layer is placed over the first layer, such that the spheres of the upper layer exactly above the first layer. In this arrangement, the spheres of both layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. So the lattice is generated like a simple cubic lattice. Here the pattern is AAA type arrangement. We see three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional hexagonal close packed structures. Let us take a two-dimensional hexagonal close packed layer. Place a similar layer above it, that is, the spheres of second layer is placed in the depression of the first layer. Since the spheres of two layers are aligned differently, wherever the sphere of second layer is above the void of the first layer. So the void looks like a tetrahedron. So this void is known as tetrahedral voids. When the centers of these four spheres are joined, we marked as T. The triangular voids in the second layer are above the triangular voids in the first layer. So both these triangular voids do not overlap. One of them has apex of the triangle pointing upwards and the other one is downwards. These voids have been marked as O, that is octahedral voids. So such voids are surrounded by 6 spheres. So let us take n be the number of close packed spheres. The number of octahedral voids generated is n. How many number of voids are present? That is the voids present in octahedral. But in the case of tetrahedral, the number of tetrahedral voids generated is 2 into n. Dimensional close packing is classified into two types. They are ABC type close packing and AB type close packing. ABC type close packing is observed in face-centered cubic crystal, and AB type of close packing is observed in hexagonal close packing. This type of three-dimensional close packing, the third layer may be placed above the second layer. Its spheres cover the octahedral voids. When placed in this manner, the spheres of third layer are not aligned with those of either of the first or the second layer. This type of arrangement is called a C-type. Only, that is, if first we are arranging A type, then B, then C, again we are arranging A type. Only this fourth layer is placed, its spheres are aligned with the same like first layer. This pattern of layer is known as ABC type. This structure is called a cubic close packed structures or face-centered cubic close packed structures. Metals such as copper, silver crystalline are showed this structure. Both these type of close packing are highly efficient and 74% space in the crystal is occupied. In either of them, each sphere is in contact with 12 spheres. Thus, the coordination number is 12. Next, we see AB type of three-dimensional close packing. Here, the tetrahedral voids of the second layer may be covered by the spheres of third layer. In this case, the spheres of the third layer are exactly aligned with those of the first layer. Thus, the pattern of sphere is repeated in alternate layers. This type of arrangement is called a AB pattern. The structure is called a hexagonal close packed structure. And for example, magnesium and zinc metal show this type of arrangement. Friends, in this video session, we studied close packing in solids. In the case of close packing, first we studied the close packing in one-dimensional arrangement. Second, close packing in two-dimensional. In the case of close packing in two-dimensional, we studied square close packing structure, hexagonal close packing structure, and three-dimensional close packing we studied ABC type of close packed structure and AB type of three-dimensional close packed structure. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.